Hello guys, I'm Paris, the option guy, and welcome back to my channel. And if you see this week also market closed in deep red, right? Especially Bank Nifty, not so much with Nifty. Nifty was still sort of trying to take a little bit of support from the lower levels. But if you see Bank Nifty has continued to move down 3% over here also. So does that mean the selling is over? Are we going to see more selling from here? No. One thing to remember is that there is this week is the budget week, right? So there will be high volatility. Please remember that, right? And it's okay if you do not feel like trading, or if you're clueless about how to trade, because it's not important that we trade in the budget. Because last time, if you see in the budget, in Bank Nifty went up, and basically went up 1,000 points, then crashed to 2,500 points, and then again recovered in the end. So there will be extreme volatility in budget. I am expecting a little bit less volatility this year, because there will be two budgets this year, right? One budget right now and the second budget in July after the new government comes in. So this budget could be a little bit of a sort of a an event where there are not really a lot of big announcements. But anyways, we will still be cautious because volatility will be on the higher level, on the higher side, right? So what can we do for here? If we see Bank Nifty has broken this level, basically broken this trend line, which was sort of acting as a support till previous week, right? Now what can we do over here is going to be very simple. One thing to remember is that Bank Nifty has still closed in negative, so we will not get positive until unless we are above 46,300 to 46,500, right? Basically above the high of this candle is only when we will get bullish on the higher side, right? And if we do go above this candle's high, that means market has become bullish, and this was just a this was again this will again be a big bear trap, and then we'll again start to move up, right? Something like this, where the market could not really sustain on the lower levels, right? But again, that I am not really expecting to happen. We will see a little bit of short covering on the upper side before the budget. That can happen, but yes, after that I think we can again see a sell off on the lower levels, right? So our goal over here should be, if the market opens again negative tomorrow, we could take a short position again till lower levels of 44,000. That will be our target for now. We will not keep big targets until unless the budget is over, or if we get very, very good levels to short. But yes, because chances are that budget, as I said, budget could be volatile, so maybe we could, our stop losses could get hit if we keep big targets, right? So keeping small targets for now is a good idea. Okay, on the other hand, if you see, this level will be very important where we can take a short position. 46,000 to 45,800 will be very important as of now. Basically this trend line over here, once we get the market over here near the trend line, and we are seeing that market is taking rejection from this trend line, I think we can go short in a very big way, keeping very big targets on the downside easily till 42,500 also, right? So this trend line is going to be very important, right? And if we are seeing that the market is taking very good rejection from here, we can keep a small stop loss, and we can take a trade which would go on for basically a trade on positional basis for a few days, right? Because we want the market to come down till over here 42,500. So yes, we can expect the market to come down till there if the market takes good rejection from higher levels, right? So again, over here, very simple. What can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now if you see, market has broken out from here. There was this trend line coming over here, and market broke out above it in the end, right? There was a bit of short covering in Bank Nifty, good short covering. But I think this short covering could have just been because we had a very big long weekend, right? So we had 3 days of holiday, and I think that's why a lot of people covered their short positions, and only because of that the market has moved up. Because if you see, before that there was no sign of strength over here in the market. You could say this was a bit of strength, but if you see, instantly there was selling again after that, right? So if we again open to the gap down below 44,800, if we again open, right, that means this was just a small short covering that happened because the market was closed for a long time. And if we are opening below 44,800 and making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. Your first target will be 44,600. But if we do not sustain over here at 44,600, right, basically if you are not sustaining above 44,600, then most probably we can see 44,000 before the budget comes, and then we can expect some sort of a short covering to again come from 44,000 levels on the downside, right? So that is for Bank Nifty, right? What could also happen is that we open at 44,800, make negative price action, go down and take support from this trend line. So if you are seeing that market is taking good rejection from this trend line also, or good support, and even then it's okay if you square off your positions over here. And that's why I gave you a small target of 44,600 first of all. Maybe market might come down till over here, spend some time, and then again see a little bit of short covering, because market may not be ready to go down as of now, right? Maybe market will take a little bit of again up move, as I said, till this trend line, and then go down from there, right? If we open the gap up above 45,000 and sustain over there for some time, then basically we need to find a positive price action, right? A higher high being made in 5-minute chart, and if you see that, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over there. Then we can expect a little bit of upside move till 45,400 very easily, because market has a little bit of if this is real short covering, and if the traders really want to cover their shorts, right? If people who have shorted over here really want to still cover their shorts, we will see this short covering continue till 45,400 also very easily. After that, we could most probably take a little bit of basically resistance from here, and most probably we could see a little bit of volatility happening over here, right? On the downside, very simple. If you open with a very big gap up somewhere near 45,200 itself, then we can't really do anything. If we are then seeing a little bit of pullback till 45,000, and then we are seeing positive price action being made, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. But please keep your quantity less, because then the market has already opened with such a big gap up. So, chances are volatility will be on the higher side. On the lower side, if you open with a gap down, again, as I said, with the gap down, as I said, negative price action is the only thing that you need to wait for, and then you guys can go ahead and take a short position also on the lower side. First target will be small, 44,600, but after that you can keep a good target of 44,000. May not come tomorrow itself, and if you want a smaller target before that also, 44,450 seems like a good target that you can keep. 450 to 400 seems like a good target, and then maybe market might not really go down that fast. Maybe market might take another day or two to go down till 44,000. Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty is holding itself at this level of 21,200 to 250, right? As I said, this will be the next level. But yes, if we again open with a gap down, chances are we will break below this support, because now the support has been tested a lot of times, and now it has become a little bit weak. So if you are opening with any sort of a gap down below 21,300 and making negative price action, then we'll go ahead and take a short position in Nifty. Again, first target will be small till 21,250 itself, 50 points. But after that, once we go below 21,200 and sustain below there, then our target straight up becomes 21,000, right? And most probably Nifty could also take support from there for the budget, and after that it could continue its move on the downside, right? But yes, 21 below 21,200, we will see another 200 points of move till 21,000 very easily. If we are opening with a gap up somewhere near 21,450 and all these levels, then wait for a little bit of pullback till 21,400 to 360. And if we're seeing that market is taking support from here and making positive price action, then you can think about taking a bullish trade again till 21,450 and then 21,500. Please do not keep big target, because 21,500 will act as a good support on the upside, if you see, right? So do not keep big targets, because after that maybe the market might get a little volatile, as I said. So please do not keep big targets, and it's okay to trade a little bit less quantity until the budget is over, because volatility will be on the higher side over here, right? If you are straight up opening with a gap up near 21,500, then what you can do over here, one thing is that wait for negative price action, and if you are seeing negative price action being made, then you can think about taking a short trade till 21,400. You can take this 100-point trade, because I'm expecting there will be again a little bit of pressure from the higher side from 21,500, which will take us easily till 21,400. So you can also take this trade. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and this is the budget week, so things will be volatile. And also I would recommend, please do not even if we close at higher levels, please do not think that market has become bullish, because mostly maybe everybody would cover their short positions at lower levels and make new positions after the budget, right? Just to be cautious that nothing good is announced in the budget, right? And then they might again make higher, new positions at higher levels, right? So please do not become bullish so fast as of now. If there is, yes, if there is something, if we are seeing that market is telling us to become bullish, then we will become bullish, right? But if we are not really, just with one sort of an up move over here, maybe we go up till 46,000 and everybody becomes bullish, please do not become bullish so fast, right? Wait for the market to tell you where you need to become bullish, and then we will see what we can do about that, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.